Namaste, my name is Drashti and welcome to my creative corner. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to discover some of the best affordable face washes which are easily available in India. So if you want to check whether this face wash might suit your skin type or not, please watch this video till the end so you can find your perfect match. And it is easy on your pocket too. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
Before starting with the options of the face washes, I want to tell you something about my skin. My skin is combination too oily, sometimes it is dry too. So my skin is very acne prone. So I can't use random any of the face wash or any product on my face because my face is so sensitive. So most probably all of these face washes which I have discovered will suit you 99%. If you want to know that this might suit your skin type or not, please do patch test. It works for me perfectly, but it might not suit your skin type. We just start with our face wash option. First, I'm going to starting it with the affordable one first and slightly moving to the higher end.
So my first option is this one. This is the Dove Creme Bar. Actually, this is not a face wash. As you can see, it is soap. You might have heard that face washes are compulsory, don't use soap on your face, but this Dove soap is very gentle on your skin. So whenever my skin feels very dry and I get some of the dry patches near my eyes and on my cheeks, so I use this one. This is 20 rupees. This is the smallest size. I think it is 50 grams of product.
So I will prefer you buy smaller size because soap है तो वो कवर नहीं होगा किसी चीज से, वो आप ऐसे ही खुला अपने बाथरूम में या फिर अपने बेसिन एरिया में रख देंगे तो इसमें ज्यादातर डर्ट और जर्म्स एक्यूमुलेट होंगे. तो मैं प्रेफर करूंगी कि आप ऐसे स्मॉलर साइज के सोप है उससे फेस वॉश करें जो परफेक्ट रहेगा. यू कैन बाय द बिगर वन टू बट आई विल प्रेफर द स्मॉलर वन.
So this is the perfect option for dry skin types. And I have combination acne prone or sometimes oily skin, so still this works for me perfectly, so you can give it a try. But this is perfect match of the face cleanser for the dry skin types.
So the video starts from 20 to 250 rupees. So the first one is this for 20 rupees.
Next product which is very popular in India and easily you can find it to your grocery store or medical store or even online. This is our good old Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash, which is very good for normal to oily skin types. So if you haven't found it till yet by any chance, so just give it a try to this Himalaya Neem Face Wash. The price of this face wash is 65 rupees. The third product, which is you can tell from the clip that you see, this is the Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution Plus Purity Face Wash.
On this channel, I don't promote any face whitening or face brightening products. This product is wonderful, so I am mentioning this one. You can't change the skin color of your skin which you got from Bond. So you might have tanning, you can remove it, but you can't change the skin color which you have naturally. So I don't promote any whitening or brightening products on this channel, but this is very good product.
If you want to use this product, this is very good for normal to dry skin. This is for 95 rupees only. I use this product during the slightly colder or drier time of the year, or I use this face wash in between the season interchange, so that time my skin behaves slightly dry, so I use this one. Next I have this face wash. This is the Kaya Youth Hydro Replenish Gentle Face Wash with Aloe Hydrolock Complex for fresh glowing skin. This is very good for oily to normal skin, as I told you before. So if you want to check this out, this is very good from the brand Kaya. It is for 99 rupees, but I have got it for some around 60 to 70 rupees on sale. So this is under 100 rupees. Next I have a face wash from the same brand of Kaya. So this is the face wash. This is the Kaya Youth Your Daily Dose of Youth Oxy Infusion Face Wash for youthful and glowing skin. This is kind of glowing it leaves your skin glowing, slightly more hydrated. So if you wash your face with face wash, sometimes you feel very dry and flaky on skin, which feels slightly tighter on skin, but this does not do with our skin. So this is very good for normal to dry skin, or dry skin people easily use this. This is for 199 rupees. I have got it some on sale, so I don't know exact price of this, but this is for 199 rupees, which is not bad at all. Next product I have, as you can tell from the quantity which I have left till here, this is the KLM Clean AHA Skin Rejuvenating and Refreshing Face Wash. This face wash is recommended by my dermatologist. This is very good cleanser for acne prone and very sensitive skin. This is slightly expensive on the price. This is for around 230 or something. You can get the smaller size. They have the smaller version of this face wash too. So if you want to just try first, then please buy the smaller tube of this. I experiment with lot of skincare products, so if my skin doesn't like that product, I just go back blindly to this face wash, and this heals my skin perfectly. If you want to buy this face wash, this particular face wash, you have to go to pharmacy and tell them about this face wash, because you can't find this into any of the grocery or shopping mall places, because this is medically proven and medically used. So this you will find in only medical stores. This is our good old Cetaphil face wash. This is for they say this is for face and body, for all skin types. It is daily care range. This is from their daily care range. Moisturize and cleanses, soap free and non-irritating, and hypoallergenic. This is very great for normal to dry skin. I use particularly this cleanser in winter time, because in monsoon or in summer my skin is slightly on the combination to oily side, so I don't use this one in summer or monsoon. This is non-comedogenic too, so this won't clog your pores. So if your skin is very sensitive and you can't use any of these range of the face washes which I have shown in this video, you can completely rely on this, because this is very good and hypoallergenic, so you can not go wrong with this product. This is for rupees 255, which is the most expensive in this range of our face washes series.
Lastly, I want to say that cleansing, toning, moisturizing and protection, these steps are very important in our skincare, because the weather change, the dust, the pollution in atmosphere, your skin go through a lot. I want to add one more product in this video, which is this Apollo Pharmacy's Rose Water.
You must be thinking why I am adding this rose water in this cleanser series, because I haven't found any of the perfect toner for my skin type, so I use this rose water as my toner. If you can't find this particular rose water, then you can use the Patanjali's rose water, which works perfectly same as this one. You can find this rose water on Apollo Pharmacy's store nearby your house, or online on their website. So the Patanjali rose water option is best for you, because it is easy to find anywhere near your house and online too. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to be a part of my social media family, then I will be mentioning all of my social media handles into the description box below. So please go and follow me there for such content. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.